Yo, what's up guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so I got these grill inserts from the junkyard like a month ago, and I only put them in by zip ties because I didn't know exactly how to put them in, and I ended up going back to the junkyard. I found these headlights right here. They're kind of distorted. I need to fix those a little bit better, but I ended up checking out the grill, and come to find out you actually have to cut these out right here. You got these holes right here for it, and it comes with clips. So you put the clips in and then you just screw them in, and you know, it closes that gap. So that's today's project. Nice Silverado. All right, you guys, so I got this 7mm out right here. I got it with the pliers because I can't find my tools. Anyway, just pull it forward like this right here. Same for on this side. You want to be careful. I got the mod that turns the reflector to a light, so just unplug your lights. You want to be careful because this damn thing will fall. But yeah, just go ahead and unplug your lights. I might actually try to figure out how to hook those up a little bit better so they're not just laying in there. But yeah, do that, and then push this tab down, pull that out, boom. Same for that. I'll show you guys on this side. So, boom. Oh, that's coming out a little bit. So this is the tab. You just push that down, pull that out. Now the grill is free to come out. Do this right here. There's one. There's two. So it seems I wasn't really paying attention because I actually gouged the crap out of that. But I can actually fix that with Bondo or whatever. But I need to go ahead and lump these off right here. All these, clean this up a lot better. And yeah, the grill is back to being blue along with my truck. Blue, baby. I had to use a pair of pliers to cut these down. It would have left a hole like this anyway. But yeah, these are almost flush smooth. I took my 36 grit standard disc on an angle grinder and was sanding them down, but the battery died, and the other battery up there is dead too. But for the most part, they are sanded down pretty good. This whole grill just needs to go in the trash. But for right now, I want to make do with what I have. No complaining. Now we can put this in here, and guess what? It fits like it's supposed to. Alright, you guys, so I got the top one in. It's all screwed in. Make sure that this is smooth and flush, and then this side has got the hole in it like that, and that. Make sure that the one that's got the smooth hole goes on the front, and then you just want to line this up perfectly, just like that. Make sure that it's pushed all the way down. And we got the Navy above us, or the Space Force or something. Alright. Take the other one like that. And just put that one in. What you want to do, just grab your insert, and this little weight thing right here is going to be at the bottom. So it's going on just like this. And then you just line that up like that. So you just take your screw it in. Oh, that one's wanting to come out. Alright, don't tighten that one up all the way then. And then just bring this bottom one in, just like that. See, this one's wanting to tighten up right. Okay, tighten this one down all the way, just so that way it doesn't jump around. Hopefully you guys can see this. Now you can tighten up the top. Okay, it went in right. It just wanted to jump around a little bit. Alright. It's gonna be kind of stiff. Okay. Get it in like that. And then force it in just like that. Boom. I didn't want to line up all the way, but that's fine. It will when it tightens up. There it is. So the grill inserts are officially all the way in, and I'll just flip this over just so you guys can see it. So the clips are in, and then the screws go in from the outside of the grill, the front of the grill, and then screws in through these little retainers, just like that. I need to get another one for right here, but for right now it's fine. But yeah, man, now finally looks good. Alright, you guys, and there it is. The grill is back on. It looks so good with the grill inserts put on properly. Now, like I said, it does have a clip missing right there on that side, but nonetheless, it's still on here pretty strong. Like, it'll move the whole grill. I really want to get a new grill, man. This thing is just, it's so bad. But I mean, what grill isn't on these trucks that's not brand new? Anyway, hey man, if you guys like this video, give it a big old fat like. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see me put lights in here, then subscribe to the channel, because I got some lights and I want to hook them up. But yeah, dude, here is the truck. This thing looks so freaking amazing. Alright, guys, like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And, you know, just leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.